in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect people on LinkedIn with their particular job titles and how to filter out your search regarding maybe their specific job title and their location or their industry specific. Okay, so let's suppose I want to search for, you know, I want to search for particularly like hospitality consultant, right? Okay, so you can click on see all results. Here you'll be finding out all the people. See all the people. You can find out the people working with that particular job title, companies those are hiring for that particular job title, jobs related to that, and groups related to that, right? So what I'm gonna be doing, I'll be clicking on see all people result. Not I'll be focusing more into the people. So let's click on see all people results. So right now the number of search results are this many, right? And you want to filter out the people who are particularly in your geographical location. So you want to use this particular bar which says people, connection, location, current company, or and I would recommend to go you to go on all filters. Click on that, and from here, let's suppose I want to see how many people are working with that particular job title in Washington DC area. So let me type it, Washington DC, Baltimore area. Okay, so location, I have set the location. Then again, what other useful filter for me is you want to look for the industry specific. So let's suppose you want to click on this hospitality industry and show the results, right? So previously, you remember how many the search results were. Now the search results are limited to 2,400 in your particular area, and by going it. Okay, so LinkedIn could be a great asset to find out individual profile with particular job title, right? So you want to send them a connect request, like see, okay, from here, from this list, you can see how many people are there. And let's suppose I want to send him a connection request, right? So I'm gonna clicking on him, that link, and send a connect request. I would highly recommend to add a personalized note for introducing yourself to the person, and I would recommend not to use your sales pitch right in there. I would just like briefly introduce yourself that hi, I was just going through LinkedIn search and searching for a hospitality consultant, and your profile showed up, so I thought it'll be a great idea to connect, and send that connection request, right? And once the person has accepted your connection request, then you can probably start your conversation from there onwards and try to engage with them as long you can do with that. Okay, so same thing you want to do. Okay, so let's suppose I want to connect. Another important thing I want to share right up here is to join the groups, right? Joining out groups is a very great thing to promote your business and promote your uh, listing to the multiple, like putting your content across to like 1,000 eyes in one shot, right? So for that, what I'll suggest, let's suppose I'm gonna be searching the same hospitality consultant again, right? So here, from here, I can see the groups listing, see all groups results. Now I see 96 search results up here, right? I can filter again but I think in groups the filter is not that much worth of. So what I would recommend is to try to join those groups which is having more than 1,000 members in it. Like let's suppose this is tourism, barters, exchange expertise for hospitality, and I would recommend to send joining request to very relevant and specific groups that you would think would be very helpful for your particular niche, right? So let's suppose I want to click on this, and there's a request to join button up here. Need to click on that button, and once they'll be approving your request, then you can probably share your content into those groups as well. Like let's you remember how you be sharing your post and sharing your stories to those whether your individual profile or your company page. Same format, you need to select from here your individual profile, and here where you can see who can see your post. In that option, you want to select group member, and if they have requests, they have accepted your they have accepted your connection request or joining request to that particular group, then that group would be listed up here. So let's suppose I want to share my content in this particular group. Save it, just whatever you want to share with that post it and share your thoughts in that particular group. So joining our group is very effective because you are putting uh, your content in front of thousand people on single click. And these groups are the benefit of posting in these groups are that people who who else is joined in that group would be notified whenever you share any content on that particular group. So every person who is attached to that group would be notified, so they'll be getting right away notification. And if and you can start engaging from there and kind of use the social selling to the maximize with using the groups and sharing your thoughts in the group as well. All right, thanks a lot for your attention, guys.